Who gets to peek at your credit score? Unveiling Equifax access. Ever wonder why you get denied for that dream apartment or that sweet new car? Your credit score, a mysterious 3-digit number, plays a huge role. But who exactly gets to see this score and what information does it hold? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Equifax, one of the 3 major credit bureaus in the U.S., and exploring who has the right to access your credit report. The power of credit reports. Imagine your credit report as a financial resume. It details your borrowing history, including loans, credit cards, and even past utility bills. This report gets updated regularly, reflecting your creditworthiness, your ability to repay debts on time. So, who has a legitimate reason to peek at this financial snapshot? The usual suspects, lenders and creditors. The most common culprits? Banks, credit unions, and other lenders. When you apply for a mortgage, car loan, or even a new credit card, they need to assess your creditworthiness. Your Equifax report, along with reports from the other 2 bureaus, Experian and TransUnion, helps them determine the risk of lending you money. But lenders aren't the only ones with a potential key. Landlords and employers, sometimes. Landlords might check your credit report before renting you an apartment, especially in competitive markets. This helps them gauge your ability to pay rent on time. Employers, in some cases, might also request a credit check, particularly for positions involving financial responsibility. However, there are strict regulations around these practices, so it's not a universal occurrence. Utilities and insurance companies. Ever wonder why your security deposit for utilities seems high? Utility companies might use your credit report to determine your deposit amount. Similarly, insurance companies sometimes factor in your credit history when setting your premiums. A good credit score can translate to lower insurance rates, so maintaining a healthy score is beneficial. Government agencies and court orders. In specific situations, government agencies, like the IRS, might request your credit report for tax purposes or investigations. Additionally, if you're involved in a court case, a judge might order access to your credit report as part of the proceedings. The players you might not expect, but can access with your permission. Now, things get interesting. There are entities that can access your Equifax report, but only with your explicit consent. This includes potential business partners. If you're starting a business and seeking a loan or partnership, your potential partner might request a credit check. Utility companies. Sometimes, as mentioned earlier, some utility companies might require a credit check, but in these cases, they'll need your written permission. Some insurance companies. Similar to utilities, some insurance companies might require your consent to access your credit report for a more comprehensive risk assessment. The fine line, when your permission isn't needed. It's important to understand that soft inquiries don't require your permission. These inquiries happen when you check your own credit score or when lenders pre-approve you for credit offers. However, these soft inquiries don't impact your credit score, unlike hard inquiries triggered by actual loan applications. Protecting your credit castle, how to take control. By now, you understand that your Equifax report is a valuable piece of financial information. Here's how to take charge. Get your free annual credit reports. You are entitled to a free credit report from each bureau, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, annually. Request them at Annual Credit Report. Dispute errors. Find mistakes on your report. File a dispute with Equifax to get them corrected. Freeze your credit. If necessary, if you suspect fraud or identity theft, consider a credit freeze. This restricts access to your report, making it harder for unauthorized individuals to open new lines of credit in your name. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding who can access your Equifax report and how to manage it, you're taking control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.